Hi guys, today I wanted to show you how to build a mobile application with pure CSS, HTML5 and JavaScript without using any mobile framework like Android Studio, like Visual Studio, like Flutter, like etc. Like iOS. You can build a pure mobile application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Without using any libraries, because I started building a mobile application with Flutter, but it took me too much time, very difficult to handle. So I see that it is very difficult to just build a simple page with Flutter, with, I don't know, Android. I say, man, wait a minute. This is just rendering HTML and, rendering, showing text, showing image, and that's it. So if there is a possibility to, for example, do a mobile first, like in the beginning of the mobile application, people were doing mobile first approach. It was working, so now why people are saying no, you don't have, if you don't use native applications, you don't have access to some features like microphone, like camera, like etc. But all those things, if you are just building, for example, a mobile application for an e-commerce website, you don't need it. If you are building a mobile application for, I don't know, reservation or something like that, you don't need it. There are so many applications that don't need to access the microphone or the web camera, etc. So you don't need to build it in a native way using those difficult framework. So I decided to build this mobile application with pure CSS, JavaScript, and HTML5. It is for a client. I was in the beginning using Flutter, but it took me too much time. So now the deadline was yesterday. Yesterday I can say, for this client. So I asked him to give me three more days to finish it. With HTML5 and CSS and JavaScript, I can build it in one day. It is just a mobile application for the e-commerce website PrestaShop. I can do it in, maximum 5 days. Even 5 days is a lot of time, you see. So why people, I don't understand why people are using those native applications, so difficult to Flutter, difficult to iOS, difficult to Android, etc. When they can use, for example, pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and do the job. So I decided to build this, and I wanted to share my experience with you. This application is for PrestaShop. Maybe I will post the link of this application in in down in of this video. I will do a comment. It is not 100% ready yet. I'm on it, still on it. I have to deliver within 2 days. But I wanted to share my experience, and I will show you the end product of this application. If you want to take it, if you want to buy it, I will give you, I can sell you the code. I will put the link of this code. You can use it in your PrestaShop website, without paying any high ticket mobile application or any difficult framework, etc. if you are a developer. So guys, this is what I build. You see, if you do it, you see, it is responsive. You see, responsive. I didn't finish yet, but it is responsive. I show only the description, the name of the product and the price and the image, and I will do it like a YouTube style. You see, because I have here a footer. In this footer, I will include some link. I have here this footer. In this footer, I will include some link. I will include some link here, like in YouTube. I will do it like YouTube. The YouTube application. You see, because I want to show only one post in a row. Here, for example, I want to show only one post in a row, and you click, you go to product details, and you add the product to the cart, place your order, and that's it. It is not difficult. So why people are using those difficult frameworks, I don't understand. I don't understand. Me, I will build, for example, I will build many framework for mobile applications for e-commerce, blogging like WordPress, etc. And I will share the code with you. So guys, follow my videos, follow me. I will do that, man. I will build too many mobile templates for PrestaShop, for WooCommerce, and for any type of CMS e-commerce CMS or blogging, etc., to share it. Because if you want to build just application for those products, you don't need to use this Flutter, this Android, etc. You don't need them. Yes, you don't need them. Yes, because those will take time to develop. If they give you a short deadline for 15 days like that, you cannot do it. It will be very difficult to build an application for e-commerce in Flutter in 15 days. This is not real, man. It is not real. Yes, I watched it like 10 days with those filters without any good result. So I decided I can show you what I did with Flutter. Flutter is here. You see what I did with Flutter? I did it here in Flutter. You see, I did it here in Flutter, but I don't think that Flutter is the deal. It is not the deal. I will do it with HTML5. You see what I get with Flutter? Yes, I'm building the same application with Flutter also. You know, but there is no big difference. There is no big difference. My code is here. I'm building it with Flutter, but I think that Flutter is very slow. It is too much. No, man. No, man, So I decided to use this Notepad sample coding it with HTML, CSS. Yes, very simple. HTML and CSS header. My header is here. My footer is here. Using JavaScript DOM, the JavaScript DOM, making it with HTML, CSS, very easy. Why using difficult framework if you can use a very simple method that you are expert in? If you are expert in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, why do you want to develop in those difficult framework just for no? I don't just for fame. For example, yes, it is the buzzword Flutter, Android. It is the buzzword, of course, but man, time is money. Time is money. People are waiting because the client, they don't, for example, know what is in the back end. The client don't know what it is Flutter or Android or etc. They just want to see a result. Give them the result and that's it. If I finished it, I will use the progressive web apps feature, and this can be installed in any device like a native mobile application. You know without any difference. You will not know that it is built in pure HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or in Flutter, etc. Those Flutter they use in the back end. In the back end, they use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They use a language like Dart, Java, to handle the mobile viewpoint. But in the back end, they are using this technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's it. So why not using it directly? Why not using it directly? And even those push notification like the phone, the camera, it can be done with JavaScript. I am doing my research and I will find the solution to get to those camera of the mobile phone, microphone of the mobile phone, etc. Push notification, everything, and it can be done with pure JavaScript. I don't know why people are killing themselves with those very difficult frameworks like Flutter, Android Studio, iOS, etc. for native application. You can build one application for all those platforms with pure HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It is what I'm doing now. Follow me and you will get the full code of this.